Welcome to another video on C programming video series. In this video, we will see how we can set up the Visual Studio Code for writing and executing C programs. I hope you guys are watching this video as part of the C programming video series, because in order to continue with this video, you have to download and install GCC, which is a C compiler and the toolset, and then we need to download and install VS Code. The link for the installation videos will be in the description box. Once these programs are installed, we can go ahead and we can set up the VS Code for C programming. So let's open up the VS Code. And the first thing that we do is we will create a workspace. To do that, click on File and then go to Save Workspace As. Now here, I'm gonna save my workspace in the desktop. Here in my desktop, I will right click and then I will create a new folder. I will call it as C programming, and then I will open up this folder, and inside this folder I will save my workspace. I will call it as C workspace, and then I will click on save. Now here we can see the workspace is C workspace. Now the next thing that we do is we will add a folder to the workspace. To do that, we will click on File and then Add Folder to Workspace, and then we will go to Desktop, C Programming, that is the folder that we have created, and inside this folder I will create another folder, and then I will call this as Programs, and then I will select this folder and then I will click on Add. Now here we can see we have the C workspace and then the programs folder. Now here we will select this programs folder and then we will click on this new file icon, and here we can create a new file. I will give the name as hello and the file extension will be .c. If I hit the enter button, you guys can see this file has been opened here. Now before writing any C code, what we do is we will install some extensions. We will click on this extensions tab, and here we will search for C, C++, and here we will install the C, C++ extension from Microsoft. We will click on this install. Now once this is installed, we will go to C, C++ extension pack. We will install this also, and then we will go to C, C++ themes, and we will make sure that this is also installed. If it is not installed, when you install the extension pack, then you can install it. Once these extensions are installed, we can hide this extensions tab, and we will close this window. Now here we will write a very simple C program and we will see how we can run this. Now for those people who are watching this video as part of the C programming video series, I know you guys don't know anything about writing C programs, but just copy and paste this code. So it will be #include stdio.h, and then we will have the int main function, and in this main function we will have a return 0, and before that we will have the printf, and here we will say hello. Okay, a very simple program. I will explain every part of this program in a separate video, but here the next thing that we see is how we can run this program. Now in order to run this program, we can go to the top right section, and here we can find this play button icon. If we click on this down arrow, we can see run C, C++ file and debug C, C++ file. We will click on this run C, C++ file, and here we will select the C, C++ gcc.exe. Once we click on that, the program will be compiled, and if we go to the terminal, we can see the output, which is hello. Now one last thing that we can do here is we will click on file, and we will make sure that this auto save option is checked, so that whenever we make any modifications, the program will be saved. We will be using VS Code for the entire video series. If you guys face any difficulties, then write that in the comment section. I'll try to help. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next one.